Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had honoured renowned artists including Tengnang Sangma, Grisel Ropme, Starly Shulai, Felix Langste, Sinda Sangma, Amabel Susngi and Desmond Rimaki Sun at the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Mgmp Season 2 gathering at Marriott Shillong. Notably, Bollywood sensation John Abraham graced the occasion, commending the government's backing of musicians and encouraging them to pursue their aspirations.
We'll start off with Waiki, since he's already here. Waiki Mgmp Nightan. Also, very special. Waiki is specially impaired in the sense of Waiki has never had living, but still pursues his dream of doing. Please. The mementos that were presented to the dignitaries. So her book on the recent Khasi lullaby that he had released at the Modern Festival is also there in the...
Meghalaya tourism, which we so proudly wear on our jersey. I hope our association continues for as long, because we're so happy to have you. And it's not just about another association. It's because you stand for the right reasons, it's right causes, and we're very honored to have you. So thank you so much. And to all the artists out here, keep living your dreams. You're very fortunate. In my time, I probably didn't have the support of governance and of systems and of structures to help me in my processes and my dreams. I always wanted to be a football player, and I could not become one. Today you've got the opportunity where the Honourable Chief Minister, being a musician and a fantastic musician himself, is here to promote and push each one of you. I would say, take advantage of this situation, make the most of it, go out there, play your hearts out, enjoy this art and this talent that you really possess, and have a great time. So thank you once again to all of you. God bless you.
In a touching moment, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma pledged an Ibanez guitar to a differently abled performer, underscoring Mgmp's commitment to inclusivity. Since its launch on the 4th of October 2023, the Mgmp Season 2 has hosted over 730 events statewide, with performers enjoying increased average incomes ranging from Rs 10,000 to Rs 12,000 per event.
So we are very happy, and maybe you can say the grassroots program that we're having is maybe one of the most satisfying programs for me, because I really see and feel the impact that it has, and to be able to make a difference in the lives of our young musicians and the youth in general really gives me a great sense of satisfaction, I must say. Second, of course, the music scene is very different today from what it was during our times. And I still remember, trying to figure out the notes of, some lead that had to be played once again and again and again. And, we all, to save the battery, we used to rewind it with pencil and all that stuff. So I'm sure you guys remember, some of you will remember those moments. And today you have YouTube, where you can just learn the keys, the solos, which we used to struggle to just even get a note of what it was. And of course, we didn't know what scales were. We just used to play as per whatever we could understand. So that the landscape has changed. There's a lot of technology now and a lot of opportunity there. And really I would want our musicians to now start engaging at that level with the use of technology, with the use of different tools, and taking music to a new level. And therefore it's a great time to be a musician. You have access to a lot of support from the government. You have a lot of access of technology today that can help you really improve. But yes, there are some gaps. And I would be happy to listen to some of you. If not today, then you can always write to me. I am a very accessible person, I can tell you. And you can always share your ideas and thoughts on how maybe we could improve this particular program and make it even better.